Hi guys, this is Sid and you're watching my YouTube channel How to Open, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open a hard disk and clean it properly. First thing, you need a hard disk to be opened and a screwdriver melt disk to option. So let's start. First thing, you need to unscrew all these 6 screws. Then turn back the hard disk and unscrew all these 6 screws which are on the circuit board, as you can see. So this is the hard disk logic board which is used to operate all your hard disk services, and there are also some chips. These are the main component of the hard disk, and there is also port. This is a fiber cloth if you want to clean your hard disk. Now clean with this fiber cloth properly and carefully. Also this port. Now you are done. Put back the screwdriver and enjoy.